Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your Woolworths reward card to Apple Wallet in 2026. So Woolworths provides an official way to add your card to the Apple Wallet using a secure link or a QR code. For that, you need to simply open the official Everyday Rewards page or the application. Afterwards, you need to look for the option that says Add to Apple Wallet. Now, when you are able to find that option, you just have to simply tap on it, then scan the QR code and follow further instructions. When you tap on the Add option in your Apple Wallet, it is going to basically be opened in your Apple Wallet and your card will be successfully saved in your Apple Wallet in no time. Now, if you already use the app, this is going to be really quick. So you need to open the Everyday Rewards application on your iPhone. After that, simply go to the wallets section. Now you need to find your digital card, then tap on the option of Add to Apple Wallet. Afterwards, you need to simply confirm and save it, and the app is going to store your card and it is going to let you export it directly to your wallet. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.